In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update AP News app to the latest version. So if you want to get the latest version of this AP News app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to get the latest features and also fix any errors or bugs that are associated with your app, go ahead and look for your app through Google Play Store or App Store and update it. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store and then search for your app. And once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of the Associated Press app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will proceed and download the latest version of AP News app and then install it on my smartphone. Now, once the installation is done, proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of AP News app. So that's how you can update or get the latest version of AP News app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.